Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. Welcome to a brand new video, you guys. Thanks for joining me today. Today is going to be yet another spring makeup look. I know that I've been doing a lot of spring makeup looks, but it is spring. Summer is almost here, and the best thing is I got some new palettes. So you guys know anytime that I get new palettes, I can't wait and I have to play with them. So this look is actually pretty easy to achieve because we're not doing a cut crease. So for anybody that is beginner friendly, you should be able to master this down. Very monochromatic look. I love the way this look turned out. I hope you guys enjoy it as well. So with that said, grab your coffee, grab your water, grab your wine, grab your beer, grab your hot Cheetos, put some limon on it, grab your palettes, and let's get glam together. I have my foundation, pretty much all my base down. I did also use the JUVIA'S foundation today. I had not used that foundation in quite some time, and honestly, I forgot how orange it was on me. Like the shade does not match me at all. And I had to bring it like way down to like my chest because it's just orange. So we're just gonna see past that, okay? For my primer or my what is this called? Oh my god, this pregnancy brain is not cute. We're just gonna prime that so we're just gonna prime the lids so we can prep them for eyeshadow. I have been in such a purple mood, and when I saw that these were on sale at the Ulta website or on the Ulta website, thank you Ulta for always letting me know when you have sales, because then I go and spend my money. I had been eyeing this palette for quite some time and I just was like, I don't need it, I have enough purples. I needed it. This was only $8. This one was $8 as well, and I think this one was $9. And I have played with JUVIA'S Place palettes before. Honestly, the quality is so bomb. So for $8, I just couldn't resist. Alright, you guys, so let's dig into this palette because I am way too excited. So again, this is the Violets by JUVIA'S. Oh my god, this palette is so beautiful. It is a mini palette, so it only contains 6 eyeshadows. But honestly, like, I just know the quality and the pigmentation is going to be right there. So I am going to start off with a flat little brush like this. This is a little brush that came in a set of brushes. Obviously, I got these from eBay. If I can find them, I will link them down below. I'm going to start off with the darkest shade, which is this gorgeous deep plum, and I'm just going to lay that. Woo! I'm going to lay that right here. I've been really into doing like those half eyeshadows. I don't know how to call them, but instead of bringing it all the way in, I'm going to pack it on the outer corner and like bring it up, if that makes sense, but not too in. Now I'm going to go in with a smaller detailed brush. This is the ColourPop E21. If you guys are really wanting to work on your eyeshadow technique and just master the blending, I really recommend for you guys to invest into good brushes. And by good brushes, I don't mean go spend $100, $200 on brushes. ColourPop really has really good ones. Their Bare Necessities collection, which I think is currently sold out. I'm not sure if it's still sold out or not. I will check and let you guys know in the description box. But this brush is literally so bomb for working in details, which is exactly what you want. You don't want to go in with a brush like this if you're trying to blend out a dark color, because what's going to happen is just going to blow out the color all over the lid, and then you're not going to have enough space to go in with a lighter shade to help you diffuse the dark shade. Excuse me, if that makes sense. So make sure you guys are just using smaller brushes as you want more detail, so you can just really like narrow it down. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just blend literally just the edges. You guys don't have to go in ham and like blend everything, just the edges of the eyeshadow, and then we're gonna go back and blend it with the lightest purple in the palette. Now I'm going to go in with an even smaller detail brush, and I'm going to give you guys three options or show you guys three different brushes that I think are really good. The first one is an extremely affordable one. It is the e.l.f. Detail Crease Brush, which is this guy right here. As you can see, it's small. It's a little bit like bulbous at the end, but it's not too fluffy. These are perfect for going into the crease and obviously creating very detailed work. This one is also really good by Stilazzi. It is a Mini Crease Fluff L217, which is this one right here. This one has a little bit more flexibility to it, if you will. It's a little bit more fluffier, so this is going to give you more of a blown out look. And my absolute favorite one is the Morphe M507. These Morphe brushes are pretty inexpensive. I ordered mine from Ulta. This one as well is a little bit more pointed, a little bit thinner. It's not as fluffy. So this one is going to allow a little bit more precision and more packing on. So I'm going to go in with this one first. And again, I'm going to pick up this beautiful lilac shade, which perfectly matches my shirt. And I'm just going to get it all into the brush. Mainly, I get it in the tip right there. And then I'm going to start blending this color that we just laid down. Now that everything is nice and blended, I'm going to take another flat brush and I am going to wet that a little too much. And then what I'm going to do is I am first going to take the lightest purple, the lilac, and I'm going to add that all into the inner part of the eye. I don't know, I've been really into like ombre eyes instead of just like a one eyeshadow. So we're going to apply that right here at the very beginning. Oh my god, this palette, you guys. It's fire. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean off the brush. I have a little like towel here, and then I'm going to wet that one more time, and I'm going to go into the deep purple, which is this one. Excuse me, I keep burping. This one right here, and we're going to lay that right next to the purple, kind of blending it outwards. Perfect. Now I'm going to go back and just pick up a little bit more of the dark purple and the lilac purple and just diffuse the edges, just perfect the look a little bit more, and that is it. We'll work on the lower lash line. For the inner corners, we're going to keep the whole purple vibe going on. We're going to take this shade right here, which is still purple, but it's more of a rose gold. I'm going to see how it looks. It might not even go with this look. Okay, that's really pretty. So we're just going to add that into the inner corner, dragging it down. For my waterline, I'm actually going to take this is like a gel eyeliner by Ofra. It's the Killer Queen gel eyeliner, which is a gorgeous purple. Now that that is laid down, I am going to go back and I'm going to take a small detailed brush. This is also by ColourPop from the Bare Necessities palette or collection. Taking the darkest purple. You always want to lay the darkest color closest to the lash line. And then I'm going to go back with my Morphe brush. I'm going to clean it off. And then I'm going to dig into the lilac and just blow that out. For my lashes, I'm going to take some that I just got in the mail. I ordered these through Lashaholics. This is the style Fearless. So for the lips, I'm going to go ahead and take my KKW2 lip liner and just line the lips. And then I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors. I'm going to go ahead and pop this color in the center. And then for my lip gloss, I am going to add a little bit. This is also the Honey Home Lip Gloss by Dose of Colors. And I'm going to add that to the center. Alright, you guys, and this is the final look. Oh my god, I am feeling so spring appropriate, so spring ready. Like the hair and the makeup and the shirt and all the cleavage. I know, I'm sorry, it's just the shirt is so cut low. But this is the final look. What do you guys think? I'm kind of getting like Meg from Hercules vibes. I don't know why with this makeup look, but I absolutely love it. What do you guys think? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you recreate this look, even if it's not with this palette, just recreating this look, please tag me. Send me your pictures to my Instagram. I absolutely love seeing your guys post. It really just makes me so happy knowing that my work is actually being put out there. So thank you guys so much for all the support that you guys always show me. Thank you for joining me for Makeup Monday. Have an amazing day. Be safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.